Hello everybody, I am Kitchen or Educate. Welcome to my channel Legal Knowledge KD. Today we are going to discuss three expressions or words: malfeasance, misfeasance and nonfeasance. Malfeasance, misfeasance and nonfeasance. These words relate to the law of tort. Law of torts. These expressions are used to denote the action of a person amounting to breach of duty. For example, if anyone has done something illegally or the act done is not required by law, is known as malfeasance. First. Second, misfeasance. Example, if anyone has done something legally but improperly, the act is known as misfeasance. Next, third, nonfeasance. If anyone has done something, if anyone has failed to do something that is required by law, the act is known as nonfeasance. Simply we can say malfeasance is commission of an act but illegally. Misfeasance is also commission of an act but improperly. Next, nonfeasance is omission of an act that is required by law. Now I would like to explain further. Malfeasance is an act intentionally done by wrongdoer. Misfeasance is an act done unintentionally, and nonfeasance is a failure to do an act which is required by law. Now, I hope it is not difficult to understand these expressions or words. If you have any question, any suggestion, kindly comment. Thank you so much.